Homemade Botox for any type of hair. And best of all, with ingredients we have at home. Before you start, put the city where you are watching us from in the comments. Add in a small container, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next, 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. In a moment, I will tell you all the benefits of each of the ingredients. Let's mix very well until homogenized. After that we are going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Stir to dissolve the coconut oil. Now, here, add 2 tablespoons of moisturizing cream. It can be any one that you guys have at home. Let's stir very well. This homemade Botox will do you a lot of good. Lemon gives incredible strength to the hair, reduces hair loss and gives shine. Coconut milk nourishes, hydrates and recuperates. Coconut oil fights dandruff, makes hair grow faster, and helps to end the dryness of the hair. And the sugar is good for the hair, gives more shine, leaves it soft and with less frizz. Apply it all over the hair. Then secure it well and put on a plastic cap. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Then just wash it normally. You won't believe it, because it works a lot. It is an extremely efficient home recipe. This Botox will give you shine, softness, and will leave your hair very loose. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I would like to end this video with a message that is in Philippians 4:7. It says, "And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." That is, Jesus can grant us true peace, which is different from the peace that the world gives. In the world we find a peace that is fleeting, deficient and unable to fill us. The peace that comes from God is sufficient, it surpasses our understanding and holds our emotions and our mind in Jesus. This peace does not mean absence of problems, but it is the conviction that we are safe in the loving hands of the Lord. Thank you for watching this far. Until the next video. Bye.